let's make things quick. Number one, my iPhone cracked. Whoop-de-doo. But look. It still works, so that's good. And number two, I'm gonna run outside.
What is it?
I'm gonna film it.
Is yours?
No, that's not mine.
Telefono.
Oh, that's mommy's. I'm gonna bring it upstairs to her.
Oh, porque yo apreté, lo agarré y se apreté, salió una Susan, no sé qué.
This bird this morning just flew here and just started walking around. So since 9 o'clock this morning, right now it's like 5 at night, she's been eating all the bread we gave her and all the water. The cutest bird ever. You could walk close to it and she won't go anywhere. See, she just walks a little bit. She's a little scared, but she needs to get used to us. Come here. We don't know. Hopefully she comes back tomorrow, but that'd be cool. We have to give her a name if she does. Do pigeons understand? What is it? We don't know if it's a pigeon or a dove. Leave a comment in the comments box if it's a pigeon or a dove. Right now, comment. Beautiful. She's beautiful. Is it a pigeon or a dove? Leave a comment. But hopefully she comes back tomorrow. She's just chilling here. And I'm just chilling here. I'm sweating like a monster because... I will. I have to take this whole pile of dirt. I took already that one side. It was all near the house, but I just took all that to the back and I'm sweating. Hold on. I got all these blisters. That's the bird. I'll call it. Wait, I'm filming a video. And that's our pigeon. Leave a comment if it's a pigeon or a dove. We don't know yet. Leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. This video, please. Thumbs up for birds. Woo! And that's a pool filter.